Hi lovelies, my name is David Samuel and today I'm here with my other colleagues to present the voice-based transport enquiry system. I'll allow them to introduce themselves. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vivian Mensah.
Hello, I'm Prince Bio.
Hello guys, my name is Lamte Silvanos.
Hi guys, I'm Colin Silverson.
Hello, my name is Calvin Tite and I'm part of the Group 2 for the database project Voice-Based Transport Inquiry System.
Enquiry is a very, very important thing that we need to do before we start our journey to anywhere we want to go. Based on this, we have realized that people who want to make enquiry about their means of transportation on wherever they are going to sometimes find it hectic because they sometimes might have to join the queue at the bus stations to be able to make such enquiries. So to solve this problem, our team decided to come up with a web-based voice transport enquiry system. So with this system, you can stay wherever you are, maybe in the comfort of your house, and then you log in, you say wherever you want to go, you make the enquiries you want to make, then the system gives you feedback about the transport systems available for that day. So our system has been designed such that the user makes enquiries by entering a voice input. The system takes this voice input and it brings out results based on what the user requested.
With all this being said, I know you guys are intrigued on how the system is going to work. So let's quickly dive into the operations of the system.
Okay, so this is the system, voice transfer, and we are the landing page. So let's go to the get started and enter the system. So we've come to the sign in page. It's asking for the username and password. But since you're a new user, we'll ask you to sign up here. So let's click on the sign up button down here. So let's input the details the system is asking for. For the first name, let's do it Prince. The last name, Bill. The username, let's do it pbill1. Email address, let's do it Prince Bill15 gmail.com. Password, then you have to confirm your password again. Then you agree to our terms of service, then you create an account. So you can save the account to your browser or you can just sign in here with a account you just created. The username was pbo1. The password was admin, and now let's log in. Yeah, so this is the system. We've entered the dashboard of the system. It's asking us where would you like to go to. So let's begin. Let's start the system and see how it works.
Where would you like to go to?
Kumasi.
Did you say Kumasi?
Yes.
What is your location?
Accra.
Did you say Accra?
Yes.
The available station is Accra Station. Your destination is Adam, Kumasi. The departure time is 1 a.m. and the estimated arrival time is 5 a.m.
Yeah, so as you heard, the system gave the results in voice before directing us to the text. So this is the result set in the text form. We have the station, Accra Station, destination to be Adam, departure time is 1 a.m., arrival time is 5 a.m. The vehicle used is Toyota, the type is a long bus, the capacity is 20, and the vehicle color is red. And we also have another station going to Kumasi, that's STC. That one, the destination is Kumasi and Adom in Kumasi, sorry. This one, the departure time is 11, the arrival time is 3. The vehicle we use is Ford, the type is a long bus, and also the color is white. So this is basically how our system will work. It will give the output in voice and also show you the more detailed results in the text form too. So yeah. Okay, so after you are done with the system, you can log out. As you can see, there's a logout button over here. So let's log out and you go back to the landing page. You can go to get started and log in with your details again. We are back to the dashboard.
Hello guys, my name is David Samuel and I'm here to introduce some of the ins and outs of the system. So with this part, we are going to start with the code aspect where we use the Python programming language in building our project together with CSS, JavaScript and HTML. So this is my text editor where I'll show you that we imported some few libraries and models to help us in this thing. The major libraries we used were the speech recognition and then the text to speech one. So you can see here that we had to write a code to connect to the database so that we can bring the information out of that place into the UI, just like you saw in the earlier video. So these views that you saw were actually codes in the beginning before it became a very good one. So this is where we had the dashboard one, the landing page, and the rest. So you could see here that a good job was done here. It was a collective work that we did. And then there is a part that checks the people, okay, that make sure that they are all signed in and then logged in and all that. So this is the coding aspect of the whole project. You can see that it's a lot of files here. It's a good job that our teacher gave us to do. And then let's look at the SQL workbench where we write our queries. Okay, so in this SQL we write our queries. You can see that this is the name voice transport, that's the schema or the database. And then we wrote the tables here. So these are the entities we had in our project. That's the station, the destination, vehicle, and time. Just as like we did in the milestone 2. And then here we can see that we had a station where we put values into the tables that we created in the database. And then we have the vehicle one, two, we have the time inputting values. So this is the query aspect where we looked at the first try. So the first try we were writing the query that didn't really match with the project, so we didn't really do well. But this part, the second try is what worked for us. And how come the system is up and doing. So yeah, but you could see a downside that when you are putting in the values into the station entity, the vehicle entity, and then the time entity, you realize that there's like it's cumbersome, there's a lot of code. So we built what we call the admin panel so that wherever transport terminal takes into um, their administration to make sure that they put good information there for retrieval. So we'll head into the coding aspect where I'll run the server that relays info into our web browser. So you will see that it has run. And then I'll go to the web browser where I'll access the admin URL. So this is the admin URL where we have Prince being the admin and then the password which is known to myself only. So oh sorry, I made a mistake. So let's just put in a good one. You see, this is the administrator. So this administrator URL will be known to only the admins of the page. Okay. So with the administrator URL, you realize that you can only see, not you can only, but you can see the the users that have logged in or signed up to your system and their informations. As you saw earlier, Prince actually used himself as the test case for this video. And then we have the destination where we will see that oh this is the primary key which is the ID, the name, Kumasi and all that. And we have the delete in case you want to delete out of the database. Same for station, same for time and the rest. So this has saved a lot of time so that people won't write direct queries inside the database for administration. This is the logout part. So you can see that Prince's name is even here. So you can log out and then you can even see the login page again. Thank you.
Smash the like button, leave a comment. We'll be there to reply in the comment section. And also make sure you share this video for us. Peace out.